Hello everybody, here we are at Hydraulic Master once again. Today I'd like to go through with you what you receive when you buy the Scanreco RC400 from us. So what's in the box? To start with, you get the control unit. This is something I've done another video about, which you can see how to operate this. Of course there'll be the neck strap. The central unit with all of the necessary connecting cables. The connection cable between the control unit and the central unit. This is for updating or programming the device. Battery charger. 2 batteries, one for operation and one to be charging. The antenna for the central unit. Of course, the hydraulic bank. You get clamps. Now it depends how big your unit is. This particular one is for 6 different channels. They can be for 3, 4, 5. And of course the number of clamps related to the number of channels. We have an oil pressure reducer and the oil filter. In addition to that, of course, you get the stickers for the control unit, the remote control system operating manual. We always like to include, of course, the chocolate. Brand of chocolate can vary. Okay, something else I'd like to cover today is within the unit, as you can see here, there are 12 solenoids. They can be 24 volt or 12 volt, and this is what the solenoids look like. Also, all the equipment you see here is available individually if you need a spare part or there's something you need for your system. And in addition to that, we can actually tailor your system to suit your equipment. So please get in touch, tell us what you need, and our team will do their best to try and help you to make your life easier with our remote control system. I hope that's been helpful for you. If you need anything, please contact us and have a great day.